Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for Trip Companion PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project.
And also you can execute the project in
First open the XAMPP control panel,
further copy this URL and put it
start the
in the
MySQL database and Apache web server.
So if you do that, it is extra feature only, it is not mandatory. So if you want to show in web view, you can able to show over here to this URL. Yeah, it is
Next
hybrid
open
mode.
the Visual
So it
Studio
can
Code,
run in Android Studio
then export the folder, then click the readme text. Here you can see the project URLs and login details. Copy the localhost PHP main and paste to the browser.
So if you don't want to execute the web code, you can skip it, that's all. So you don't have to use this URL. So just start the emulator and start using this one. That's all.
Let's say you can able to view the backend database table.
So here,
Click the table name, you can view the
so
data.
the credential is doctor@gmail.com.
For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache and
So
MySQL,
if you want to register in
then click the MySQL admin, it will promote you to the web browser. Then you can view the backend database tables.
So once it is login,
Next open the Visual Studio Code and then explore the web folder. Here you can see the project delivery
if
files.
you want to add a password, go to the add
Explore the JS, here you can view the AngularJS files. Click the file name, you can view the source code. And then click the HTML file, you can view the HTML source code.
If you want to update the Google location of your customer, click on the update plan.
And then click the readme text.
Yeah.
Copy
So
the
to
project
update
URL
the
and paste to the
customer
browser.
location, you have to click on update plan. It will promote you to your city location in your Nepal. So you can zoom out and you can remove the red marker wherever the hospital is located. So
Here we have two roles, user and admin. Let's start with the user. Before you log in, you have to register. Click the register button. Here you can enter the name,
So it will capture you the latitude and longitude.
email ID,
So from the user side, you can able to give the Google map and you exactly get the map.
and then enter the password. The
So
password
for
must
the
be in 8
appointment, you
digit. It
have to
must
create
contain
slot.
one capital letter, one special character, and then number. And then enter the 10 digit mobile number.
Yeah. So first you have to create a slot.
And then enter the
Then
address.
only the user can able to view it. So this is how the appointment.
And then enter the city.
So once you create a slot, you can able to view the slots in the all status. So go to the all slots. So here you can able to see.
Once you enter all the fields, then click the submit button. So register successfully.
So if anyone booking, so if
Next, you enter the email ID and password
and you
for
can view
login the
the
user.
summary of the user details in the view status. So if I book it,
Login
so
successful.
usually the status will be from the
Here we have several models. Let's start with the find user.
customer,
Here you
history,
can
click
search
on
the
history to view
two
the
details.
medicine
Here you can
slot,
using the
which
call
they-
now option. And then click the user profile. Here you can view the profile details. And then click the report user.
So this is
Here you can
not
update the report.
after hospital test. And you can also give the feedback from the users. As any user,
Here you can using the search option.
so we have email ID, password validation okay. So you should provide
Or you can select the trip.
password should be
Then you can view the details.
like single capital letters, special characters, and numbers. So you have to use like this kind of formula. And mobile number to be everything.
Then click the add tour. Here you can enter all the fields for add a tour.
So one of the
Enter the
user
trip
is
name.
So
And
what
then
you
enter
use
the
the
from
category,
city.
you can search by any field. So you can able to search
And then
by
enter the place you want to
type
visit.
wise. So you can search by the area wise. So you can search by the address wise. So previously we
And then
have
enter the mobile number.
you can delete it and you can add it. So if you want to book it,
And then enter
you
the
can
vehicle.
click on the book option. So for ABC hospital,
Enter the number of days.
so on the book now. So
And then enter the members. And then select the vehicle type. And then select the start date and return date.
More info, you can able to view the show map. So whatever the Google map we have updated.
And then enter the approximate amount.
So from
Once you do that, click the submit button.
Okay. So this is where we have updated.
So created successfully. Whatever has been created, you can view here.
And whatever you are
If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here.
so if you go, so you can able to view your booking history over here, and you can able to view the my description. So whatever they suggest from the doctor side, so you can able to view the suggestion over here. Or you can manage your my profile details. So you can able to edit your password or mobile number. So
And then
this is
click
what
the add trip. Here you can add the trip. Enter the trip name.
have any doubts, you can.
And then click the submit button, it will be added. If you want to update or delete previously added trip, you can do it here. Next click the add name. Here you can enter the name, then click the create name, it will be added. Here you can update or delete the already created name.
So this is the library.
And then click the add expenses. Here you can select the trip name and then select the name and then enter the expenses type and then enter the amount. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be added. Whatever has been created, you can view here.
Which page you want?
If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here.
Or looking for PHP backend or front end?
Then click the calculate. Here you can select the trip calci. I have to select the Kerala, so click the calci. Here you can using the search option. Here Arun and Kumar go to the trip. Arun spend the trip expenses 100 rupees and then Kumar spend the trip expenses for 500 rupees. Once you enter, click the balance button. It will give the total amount and then divided amount, debit credit amount. The total amount is 600 rupees. The divided amount is 300 rupees. So Arun can debit the 200 rupees to Kumar. Kumar will get the 200 rupees from Arun. Then click the my profile. Here you can view the profile details. If you want to edit the password, you can do it
So you
here.
have to find out for doctor side or user side. Doctors.
Next, move to the admin. Enter the admin email ID and password. Then click the login button. So login
So
successful.
login in web and you have to which one
Click
is
the
mine?
view report. Here you can view the reports.
So you have to see
Click the
which
trip
HTML
details.
file
Here
is
you can
coming
view
from.
the
It is coming
two
from
details.
view booking.html. So go
If you
to
want to
your
block the
admin
user, click the block user. It will be blocked.
account. So here you can
Here you can use in the search option.
booking.html. So this is where the components is coming from. So if you just scroll down after 120 line, so you can able to see the
So this is a trip companion PHP web
all
application.
the front end files.
Code shopping.